you can export budgets to an Excel file, where you can then edit them or create new ones. Then you can import the file, which can only be used once, back into the same project. If you have access to project settings, you can also add budget group options to ProjectSight using the spreadsheet. To begin the process of exporting a budget to Excel, click on the Import Export button at the top left of the budget page. Select Export to Excel from the drop-down. Your budget will automatically download to your desktop or to your Downloads folder, where you can open it as an Excel file. When you open the budget in Excel, it will default to the Budget tab. You will likely need to scroll right or down to see all of the items. The columns available will mirror your budget code structure. Selecting the Budget Groups tab will allow you to view and edit the budget groups, as well as the phase, spec sections, category, and other variables. Click on the Instructions tab, which will open a complete list of instructions for modifying and then uploading your Excel budget file. Be sure to follow these instructions for a successful upload. To upload a new or revised budget from an Excel file, click on the Import Export button and select Update from Excel. This will open the Import Excel File window, where you can select the Excel file and drag it into the upload window. After uploading the Excel file, a confirmation window will open, listing the results of the upload. If any errors are found, you will see a Review Errors button that will download the file again with the defective records highlighted for you to fix, after which you can re-upload the file. If everything looks good, click OK to complete the upload.